Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you how to use coconut water for skin whitening. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. While often using cooking, many people have found coconut water is effective for skin care. Coconut water can be used for basic cleaning and moisturizing and in place of products like dandruff creams and face washes for acne. For best results, purchase whole coconut and use the liquid inside rather than buying pasteurized coconut water from the store. If you notice any skin irritation, cease use of coconut water and talk to a doctor. Method 1. Cleaning and moisturizing your skin. Number 1. Wash your face with coconut water. Instead of using regular water to wash your face, splash your face with coconut water at the beginning and end of the day. Feel free to use any other regular moisturizer and washes you use. Just wash them off with coconut water when you are done. You may notice your skin feels softer and more refreshed. Number 2. Use coconut water to moisturize your skin. Coconut water has moisturizing properties that can leave the skin feeling soft and fresh. You can use coconut water directly on your skin. Rub coconut water into patches of dry skin anywhere on your body. Number 3. Remove your makeup with coconut water. If you want to cut back on commercial makeup removers, coconut water can effectively remove your makeup at the end of the long day. Soak up coconut water using cotton pads. Wipe it over your skin to remove your makeup at the end of the day. Be careful when removing eye makeup with coconut water. Keep your eye closed and apply the water to one eye at a time. Number 4. Refresh yourself with coconut water. When traveling or on the go, keep a 2-ounce 59 ml spray bottle of coconut water on hand. You can freshen up by simply spritzing it on your hands, elbows and face. Method 2. Treating specific skin issues. Number 1. Make a face mask for dry skin with coconut water. For a dry face, mix coconut water with turmeric powder until you get a fine paste. Add a small splash of coconut oil to make the paste spreadable. Apply this to your face and let it sit on for the 10 minutes. Then wash it out completely. You may notice your face feels softer after applying this mask. Coconut oil can sometimes make skin oily as it is highly comedogenic. If you are prone to oily skin, skip the coconut oil and stick to coconut water and turmeric. Number 2. Treat acne with coconut water. Coconut water is antimicrobial and antibacterial. Before bed, dab coconut water onto acne scars or other blemishes. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. Some people find that blemishes and acne diminish when exposed to coconut water. You can also splash coconut water on breakouts to help clear them up. If your doctor has advised you to follow a specific treatment plan for your acne, ask them before using coconut water for treat acne problem. Use coconut water as a skin toner. Commercial skin toners may come with unwanted chemicals. Before bed, soak a washcloth in coconut water. Scrub the washcloth all over your skin. Go to bed with the coconut water still in place. If your skin responds well to coconut water, you will be left with smooth hair, more even skin. These also may help reduce signs of aging. I will give you the link of 5 best coconut water in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.